I've never said it and have kept it for 10 years. Mr. Bobi Wine, with all due respect I give you, between me and you, I have a very big secret that can make the international market even doubt you. If your boys bring back my family, my kids, and my HIV in the next campaign season, I have nothing to lose. Let DJ Yangamba Katamba, you have nothing to lose.
Omuzungu agamba, the last kicks of a dying animal are always very hard. MC Katso Sambagala. Osambagala naye gundi bobo totusambiramu buwalingo olya tetwaliyo era naffe tetwasamba masowaaniko kati let us eat in peace atulaja natosamba masowaani and blackmail kintu kibi omayibi n'ebintu ebimu mwe baba kuza bubi nze kimanyi kaliya zammwe zatambulirangako blackmail bw'otampa ssente sigenda kuwa music mu studio bw'otankolera kino sigenda promotinga luyimba lwo. I know you've been nurtured that way. Ne muganda wange akazanyo ka politics kajemu blackmail wonde Uganda abatufuga ba kibuli. Oyinza ogenda wa General Museveni nti omu blackmailinga. Olozo gende wa Kyagulanyi nti omu blackmailinga. Obo jafira mu filimu yo. One thing you're tending to forget, MC Cats, is the dynamics of our politics itself. It is more like a wave. It's unpredictable. So now the dilemma you are in when you use blackmailing moves is that it affects not only your opponent but also your mates at that particular time. The fact that we have political waves, chitegeza chokola aba noob, chokola aba NRM, you're going to be seen as a hypocrite. You are using short-term strategies. Toja malako. These are mafias. Basajja ba chibuli. You're trying to blackmail. If you've decided to keep quiet, if you've decided not to speak, then keep silent for the rest of your life. Lie low like an envelope. Olaba ne General Museveni takozesa blackmailing moves ku Kyagulanyi. Ologwe MC Cats. You are paranoid. Worst case scenario, you're focusing on the minors. Right now, you would be focusing on post you said. You would be putting our government on the line. You have bigger problems to settle. You should be inquiring from our government how proper medication is going to be entering through our country since we're falling out of USAID funding. I think your statements then would be more sensible. You would be inquiring from our government after a long period of education and funding. Do we have the capacity as a country to manufacture our own drugs, e.g. ARVs? If we don't, how soon are we planning to? These are the things you should be questioning the government, putting government on the line. Since you're a senior citizen, and still you won't achieve this through blackmail. When the time comes, will you also blackmail the government? No. Air out your points. Be legit. You are not going to blackmail anyone into receiving answers, into getting positions. People resent blackmail. Ogenda kufira mu filimu yani gogero blackmail. Wana Uganda abantu tebeetonda. Wana Uganda abantu tebaba blackmailinga. You are looking a hypocrite. You are not going to blame anyone for your failures. And there is nothing happening to you MC Cats that is unprecedented. Buli kiri mu bulamu bwo, buli kikwatako, buli kikubaddeko kyali kibaddewo. Toyina kugenda kutiisatiisa, toyina kugenda kulimira. That is simply being paranoid. Blame nobody but yourself. You know what you've done with your life. You know who you invested your money in. Blame those people. Blame the investments, not anybody else. You know the people you promoted. Blame them. Take full charge of your life. Take full responsibility for your shortcomings. but don't blackmail anybody into getting what you want.